Technology tools for efficient estate planning and probate management. Estate planning and probate management can be intricate and time-consuming, often involving many legal and financial complexities. S Brad Dozier shares cutting-edge technology tools to streamline these. Traditional estate planning involved mountains of paperwork and manual documentation. Today, digital estate planning platforms allows users to create and update their wills, designate beneficiaries, and manage their assets all in one convenient digital space. These platforms also often provide educational resources, guiding users through the intricacies of estate planning, ensuring that they make informed decisions regarding their assets and beneficiaries. Executing legal documents often requires notarization, which traditionally involves physical presence. However, with the advent of virtual notary services, individuals can now have their documents notarized online. Keeping track of important legal documents is a key aspect of estate planning. Cloud-based document storage services provide a secure and easily accessible repository for storing wills, trusts, and other essential documents. Managing and distributing assets during probate can be a complex task. Estate inventory apps enable users to create detailed inventories of their assets, including personal belongings, real estate, and financial accounts. As digital assets become more prevalent, it's crucial to incorporate them into the estate planning process. Blockchain technology offers a secure and transparent way to manage digital assets, including cryptocurrencies, digital art, and intellectual property. For legal professionals handling probate cases, probate management software can be a game changer. These platforms often include features like task tracking, document automation, and secure client portals. Integrating digital legacy services into estate planning ensures a comprehensive approach that extends beyond traditional assets, considering the increasingly important role that our digital lives play in the modern world. As technology continues to advance, the landscape of estate planning and probate management will undoubtedly witness further innovations, providing even greater accessibility, efficiency, and peace of mind for everyone involved. Embracing these technological solutions can be a significant step toward a more streamlined and effective approach to estate planning and probate management in the digital age.